Hey, it's just here. It's a bit of a different setup here today as I changed up the scenery a little bit. I did my best in setting up the light and also setting up the background in my garage. Hopefully this is working, that you can kind of see me as well as hear me. Anyways, I've got a big box over here. I seem to do unboxing and showcasing in the garage whenever I have something very big. It's just easier to handle things over here, although it is a bit hot. Last time I did a assembly of a chair, I had a lovely assistant, my daughter, with me. I think I may have a bit more assistance later on in this video, but hopefully I'll be able to at least do some introduction before everything gets really crowded. First of all, this is a box or a product that I got from iMovR. They have provided me a standing desk before, which is one in my studio. I have showcased it in my video a few times, but also they have sent me what's called ZipDesk. Supposedly that's something that is very easy to assemble as well as disassemble, and you can keep this shipping box so that you can flat pack it again and ship it off to wherever you're moving to. If you're a student, then you can simply pack it away and ship it off to wherever, or just take it with you so that it doesn't get damaged. Moving standing desk or any sort of furniture is a bit of a hassle, as it always has a risk of being damaged, and also the big hassle of disassembly and assembly. So what I'm planning on doing is to assemble it over here in my garage, which is kind of my secondary studio space, and then perhaps move it back up to my studio, the main bedroom upstairs, and then test it out there and occasionally bring it back down for another type of shooting like this. Hopefully I'll be able to get through this video without much of a distraction, and also just kind of quickly put together. So let's see how it goes. You may see my children in the scene as they come to help me, supposedly. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to cut these things. And by the way, I did want to mention a few specs of this desk as well. So here is some installation instructions, but the specification is written on here. The rated lifting capacity is 265 pounds. Available sizes are 24 to 47 inch or 30 to 53 inches. The height range is 22.6 inches to 48.7 inches, and it can also be controlled by Bluetooth, so you can use your phone to control this up and down. So that's going to be quite interesting. The model that I've got is actually white top and supposedly the silver legs. I think that's going to look nice. Yep, it is. So I've got the leg. The first step is to lay out all the pieces, I guess. And again, I'm planning on keeping all the packaging so I can put it back together in case I need to move this desk elsewhere, and I wanted to demonstrate that. Can you hold on to this for me? So this goes in something like this. I'm gonna need you to screw that in for me.
And these two?
Yeah. James, can you lend that to Yuna?
Like this?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yuna, that might be a little easier.
Yeah. You have to hold on to these black things. It's like that, it's like we're fixing a giant broken house. House that's broken from a... Hey, Daddy, do you like this?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, how can I make that?
All right.
That's
see.
our house. We make the garage and Mom, well, you know.
Well done, Yuna. Okay, well that is it. That was so simple, wasn't it?
This is me, Una, and this is my brother. Today,
Una, are you gonna help?
and the next report is everyone has to tie up the mess. Simba! Can I Simba it over? Keep it there. Now close it up.
Yeah.
Why is it a puzzle?
Because we need to put it back in.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yeah, John. I got my own lawn chair, so I can do that. Stop.
And supposedly this is 220 pounds capacity.
Yeah.
You want to go on top of this?
Wow.
All right, pull your chair out. All right, ready? 1, 2, go. Are you too tall,
Yeah. And mostly this desk can hold a kid like 6.5.
How do you make it go down? Can you make it go up?
Whoa! Wow! Look how tall this desk can go.
Do you like the color?
Yes. It's my favorite color, white.
You guys both want to sit on the desk?
Yeah.
Yeah, go up.
It's strong enough.
It's strong enough, yes. Ready?
Yeah.
James, face the camera.
Oh.
It's supposedly 220 pounds, so shouldn't have problem going too high right now. So you guys are off the camera. What do you guys think?
I love it.
You love it? So supposedly there is an option to get a caster for this desk. So I'm actually hoping to get those casters and put it underneath it so I can wheel around easily. And when I'm ready to carry this desk upstairs, then I'm gonna disassemble it. It was quite easily disassemblable, if that's a word. And you can just undo the legs, and then I can carry the legs up and then the top, and then it will be easy to carry it upstairs even, or different room for that matter. I intentionally did not order something that's very large because I didn't want it to take up a lot of space, but it does seem to handle quite a lot of weight. So I'm overall very happy with it. If you would like to purchase this desk, I'll leave a link in the description for a affiliated link for you guys to purchase it. Whilst it doesn't cost you anything extra, it will help to support this channel. And if you have liked this content,
Please like this video. And consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video.
and I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!
Boom, 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 boom.